Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another tutorial for everyone, okay? But first, you guys know what to do. You know you want to press it. There's a button. It says subscribe, so just subscribe. Okay guys, I'm going to show you another look you can create with the GLITZGLAMBOX featured palette, the X&O Cosmetics Glitterholic palette. So yeah, I'm gonna just basically show you guys yet another look. I was going for full glam today. That's what we're going for, so we'll see what we come out with. I'm gonna use this color here for my I did do my foundation first, so I put a little setting powder underneath just in case there's any fallout. But I haven't been having too much fallout with this palette, so that's good. And yeah, guys, GLITZGLAMBOX is live. I'm gonna do an unboxing, the official unboxing, right after this video. But I was like, let me film me doing my makeup first. And then I'll do the unboxing, and then I'll post all the videos so you guys can get nice Chanel overload. I hate being close up. I dropped the palette. So yeah, if you can see, I just basically put the mauve color all over my lid here, and now we're gonna use the black color. And I know typically I don't go straight in with black, but this is full glam, so we're gonna just take a like a kind of a dense fluffy brush, if that makes sense, and I'm gonna tap it off because I already did my foundation, so we don't want to play any dangerous games. And I'm just gonna start right here and go back and forth and kind of make it into like a wing shape. See that? You see, I haven't dipped back in the pan. Okay, so you can see that there. It's like a little subtle sleigh of a wing. So I'm gonna tap in this one. I'm gonna tap in again, tap the excess off, and do this side. Now this side is always tricky for me, okay? Because I'm right-handed, so right side I'm like la 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 la. Left side I'm like, sometimes it starts looking crazy, so let's see how this goes. See, the left side always looks not as cute as the right side. I just think wingy thoughts, and then hopefully it wings out. Think wingy thoughts. Let's try that. Ah, it worked! Yay! You see, you have to think thoughts of a wing, and a wing shall appear. Okay, so so you could leave it like this, or you can build it up a little more. I think, I don't know. Should we build it up more? Maybe just like a touch more. But see, you don't want to go left, you know. So I'm gonna build it up just a touch more. What do we think? Is this fabulous? Are we slaying? Are we slaying? Let's do this side a little more. This side's not as like wingy. And we want it wingy. We want it wingy. You have to think wingy thoughts, and then it shall wing. How cute. How cute. Alright, cool. So, now, okay. People have been asking how to use pressed glitter. So I'm going to show you guys how this is how I use pressed glitter. You can use it. There's a bunch of different ways to use it. This is how I use it. Okay? This is the brush I've been using for the palette. I used a different brush before, but that was when I was covering my whole lid. For an opaque look, which is just your whole lid covered in glitter, I use a fluffy flat brush, okay? Or you can use a silicone spatula. For a sparse look, which is what I'm going for today, which is glitter like just sprinkled around, I use an angled flat brush, okay? Angled flat brush. All right, I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to use the gold. I think I'm going to mix the gold and the silver, but I'll show you guys the gold first. So I just kind of like dig in here a little bit. If you can see, wait, can you guys see? I'm trying to just make it so you can see. So I kind of like dig in here a little bit. I got like this much, you see? Okay, and then you just, this might be too much, hold on. Let me put it back on. And then you just kind of drag it along. So I want this to be sparse looking, so I just want it sprinkled all over. Just lightly, like lightly sprinkled. Till I get like the kind of the look I'm going for. Okay. So I got a little bit more. And this I'm just kind of like building up. So I want a lot more on the lid. And then the rest I just want to sprinkle all over. So you can do like a wing liner with this look. You can just put it all over the lid. You can do like how I'm doing, like kind of like a smoky wing, and just sparse glitter all over. So yeah, so this is how I use it. If you want to use the other side of the brush, it'll put more on quickly, so you don't have to build it up. I want to build it up because I'm going to mix the silver and the gold. Because why not? Matches my shirt. So I'm going to do this side too. Okay, so this side I put a little more than I wanted, but that's okay. I'm just gonna match this side. I mean, I want it sparkly, but not like super sparkly. Okay, so that's the gold. Now I'm gonna put the silver on top, just to be nice and extra. So this is the silver, and I've been dying to try it because it's holographic, so let's see. Alright, so this is the silver mixed with the gold. I do like it. I'm gonna just kind of clean it up a little bit and I'll be right back. So I'm just gonna take liner, and I actually already started, but then I was like, let me film it because people always ask me how to do liner. I'm just gonna line along my lash line because we already have a wing, so yeah. Okay, perfect. So I'm just gonna take that brush that we had the black on, and I'm just gonna run it under my bottom lash line. Kind of make that a little darker. Alright, so I'm just going to do the lashes. I'm going to do mascara and lashes off camera, and then we'll do lips and contour, and we're all good. Okay, so I accidentally almost finished my makeup, because like I was doing the lashes, and then I was like, oh, let me contour. And then I was like, oh, let me cut my contour. And then I was like, oh my god, I forgot to turn the camera back on. I'm not filming. So, so yeah. It's been a long day for me. So I'm almost done. Sorry guys. I'm just gonna bronze up a little bit and put some blush on, and then I'll film the unboxing for the GLITZGLAMBOX, the December box. So excited. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed. I know we didn't have a box before this, so you guys like are, you know, taking a chance on us, but the box is really awesome, I promise. And a lot of people have liked their box. They've been posting on Instagram, so follow us on Instagram, GLITZGLAMBOX. So thank you to everyone who has posted, you know, who's taking pictures of the box, unboxings, let's see some looks, you know, hashtag GLITZGLAMBOX, tag us, GLITZGLAMBOX, or you can tag my regular page, GLITZGLAMFIX, and yeah, let's get you guys reposted. So I'm going to use my Papa Don't Peach blush, which is kind of illuminating, so I'm just going to spray first. Hold on. Should we OD on highlight today? I don't know. The eyes are kind of crazy. Yeah, I think we'll OD on highlight. So let's just do a little Golden Dawn, Anastasia, Beverly Hills. All right. Mariah Carey MAC lip gloss, and it's called It's Just Like Honey. Alright guys, this is the final look. Well, one of the variations of the final look. So guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you follow my Instagram. We are now on Twitter at GLITZGLAMBOX on Twitter. We have a Facebook. Join our mailing list, GLITZGLAMBOX.com. There's still time to get your December box. Trust me, we stay up all night boxing up boxes. So if you want to get one, now's the time to get one. It's only $15. If you don't want to subscribe, you could do a one-time purchase and it's $20. But you do save $5 if you do the subscription. So guys, thanks so much for watching. Till the next video. Bye.